Good morning, everybody. Another fantastic engine built by Proformance Unlimited. 427 LS. Man, the thing just got done making almost 650 horsepower on a 625 build. Weather is real nice right now. Air is beautiful. But again, one gorgeous motor. Every engine we build here is custom built in-house, one at a time, and you're guaranteed to get one fabulous package out of here. Again, we're not a rush shop. We build a few motors a week, stay very busy at all times. So again, if you're interested in one, give us a call and get in line.